just want to ask you, what do you think about making money online? All the YouTube videos that you're consuming, all the things that you're trying, but they are not working. Because as you're getting into 2022, my biggest goal, I said, was to share with different I was actually share not with different people, a lot of people, on my different strategies and how I'm really able to crack the online code. I like being honest, I like being transparent. I am not there yet, but I am somewhere, and I know that I can be able to help you shorten that learning curve. And this is what I noticed. My name is Dennis Mwabu. I'm an online coach, I'm a marketing consultant. I also have a marketing agency, but still, this is something that I am just passionate about, because it is just amazing how I'm really able to just sit down here in my small room, create content, and be able to really connect with different people globally. So if you're thinking of starting 2022 as a very good entrepreneur, as a very good person who will be like, hey, I really want to make that good money. I'm not talking about like the $20, $100. I am not talking about the money that you make when you're doing online surveys. All those things work, but I'm talking about the income that you can say, hey, you can say confidently that I stay at home and I'm really able to make substantial income that can pay my rent, can buy a car, can be able to buy even a house, can be able to pay my bills, and it can sustain you. That's what I'm talking about. So here's the problem, and here's the biggest mistake I did personally, and I want you to learn from my mistakes. I was a consumer. I was consuming content. And I realized that, wow, I'm going from one course to the next course to another course. I'm going from one YouTube to another YouTube to another YouTube. I'm going from one coach to another coach to another coach. And that is what is happening to a lot of people who are in the online space. They are just consumers. They are not leaders. They are not producers. When I realized that I have to become a producer, I have to become a leader, I have to start shooting content, and I have to open my business and start treating it as a real business. And how do you treat your real business in the online space as a real business? Because the only way that you're able to bring in someone in who is interested in buying your product and service is through shooting content. And how do you do content? You get online, you take your camera, you go live, you talk about a topic, and this could be the content now that you have been consuming for all those years. You start sharing that content, and you really don't have to have results to start sharing videos online. You really don't have to be making millions to start sharing videos online. All you can do is sharing the knowledge that you have learned to someone else who is trying to look for that knowledge, and that is how you're able to create content that is valuable. The more value you give into the marketplace, the more value you're able to get in terms of monetary returns. So stop jumping from one guru to another guru. The other problem that I was doing was, I was jumping from one opportunity to another opportunity to another opportunity to another opportunity. And in order for you to start and really grow a very sustainable online business, all you need to do is, first of all, look for one amazing offer that you can create content around this offer and promote it for a certain period of time. That's the secret. And what I did is, I started analyzing and I started doing market research, a market research of my competitors, a market research of people I looked up to, people I was saying, hey, I want to be living that life the way they are living. And this is what I found. There was a common denominator whereby you found that a lot of people, what they were doing, these leaders, they were creating content. Although you've seen videos like how to create YouTube videos without showing your face, on camera, yes, you can do that. That's some strategy that is working. But if you're looking at this game as a long-term game, if you're looking at this as something so serious, you want to position yourself outside there as a thoughtful leader, as an authority, as someone that people can look up to, as someone that people can trust, someone that they can relate. There is no way other. There's no way to go about that. And that is all about creating content. And hey, I am sharing with you an amazing system, a mentor, someone that I've seen creating content. If you want to create substantial income, someone that has already hit the 2 comma club. 2 comma club means that He has already been able to generate over 1 million in revenue in his online business. He was an engineer, quit his 9 to 5 job, and right now he works fully 100% in the online space. I want to share with you a 3 days challenge. The 3 days challenge really helped me really understand where I'm going, where I'm heading, and how I'm really able to crack this code. He was able to show me like how I'm able to do the content, how I'm able to set up my videos, how I'm able to do everything. And also, if you're a beginner and you're afraid, you're asking, hey, Dennis, I can't really like start doing all these videos. Where can I really start? There's also a system whereby you don't need to do any videos, you don't need to do all this stuff. As a beginner, you're able to walk through a step-by-step growth process that will really help you really figure out the whole system. So all you want to do now is just check the link in just check the link in the comments below, and you'll be able to get everything. So the other mistake I did was actually um was actually like just procrastinating and not like doing it consistently, whereby when you start, like for example, you're starting a YouTube channel and you're starting to do content. All I was doing is I could do content for like 2-3 days, and that was all. I was not continuing. Okay, I will do another one for 2-3 days and I will stay for months and months and then come back again. And the problem with that is not having a very clear vision of where you're going and not believing in the product or service, or not believing with what you're doing. Because as an online entrepreneur, we get a lot of things. You get people who don't understand the online space will always tell you, hey, go and look for a 9 to 5 job. People who don't understand and who are not connected into your vision will always try to pull you out. These are your close friends, these are your family members, and you have to understand that, hey, I am in this and I am going all in. And the moment you understand that, you'll be able to start seeing results. The other thing that you're supposed to avoid when it's coming to the online space is, right, the other thing is actually this point is actually forgetting. I'm actually forgetting this point. Okay, I've talked about jump shipping. This is moving from one opportunity to another. I've talked about procrastination and inconsistency. I've also talked about the fear of the camera. You have to go outside there. The other thing is you have to focus on one niche. Okay, that was the other point. You have to focus on one niche. And how do you do this? You want to look for a product and service. I don't think you really need to be so passionate in, but if you're so passionate with, like for example, for me, I'm so passionate in the online marketing space and how you can make money online, the affiliate marketing, all those things, you can start doing content on this niche, right? That is after you've identified a niche and you are speaking the language of this niche. Okay, that is very, very crucial. Identifying a niche that you can start working with. It may be in the health and wellness, it may be in the money niche, it may be in the different products and services that are produced outside there in the marketplace. It really depends with really what you want. But for me, I chose this one thing, and I want to recommend it to you because it's the fastest and easiest way that I have seen being able to grow in the online space. All you want to do is be an affiliate marketer. Who is an affiliate marketer? You don't need to create a product, you don't need to actually have your own service, you don't have any overheads. All you need to do is look for a product that is already produced, everything is done for you, and all you want to do is take this product and link it to this person who is interested in buying this product, covering up that gap, and then you get paid for that. That is provision of value in the marketplace. It's very easy. There are a lot of offers in the marketplace. There are a lot of places whereby you can get these affiliate links to be able to promote, and there are a lot of different traffic methods that you can use. Some of the traffic methods that I can recommend for you right now so that you can start after you get out of this video is doing TikTok videos, short videos. You don't need to dance or do all those crazy things. You just need to go there and talk about the benefits that this product that you're an affiliate of are giving to the marketplace. And how do you get the offers? The 3 days challenge, guys. Get into the 3 days challenge. We'll show you how you can be able to get highly converting offers, because you need only two things to really be able to make sales. You need traffic and an offer that is converting. Get into the 3 days challenge. get into understanding the platforms that you can get these offers, and not all offers are good offers. Get to understand what are some of these offers and how you can be able to bring them in the online space. Okay, so that's my short video for how you can start launching your online business in 2022 and how you can be able to get traffic for it and some of the mistakes that I did. Hey, if you got value from this video, I'll always appreciate if you hit that subscription button, and always remember to share these videos. Always remember to share the value and content that I'm producing so that we can be able to impact more people and grow together on this journey. Have a good time. Merry Christmas. Be blessed. Let's meet next year.